Hello, Eves here. Welcome to Happy English School. Choosing between which article you should use may get really confusing, but understanding what rhyme and theme is will help. I bet you as a child liked to tell scary stories around the campfire.
In the dark, dark wood, there is a dark, dark house. And in the dark, dark house, there is a dark, dark room. And in the dark, dark room, there is a dark, dark cupboard.
And so on. Why do we use a before words and in the very next sentence we use the before the same words? That's because when we talk, our sentences are usually divided into two zones. A theme zone, a zone with already known information both to the speaker and to the listener, and a rhyme zone, a zone with new, unfamiliar information. And words always travel from one zone to another, changing articles. Let's continue our story. And in the dark, dark cupboard, there is a dark, dark shelf. We already know what cupboard we're talking about. That's why we used the before it. But shelf is new information for us, that's why a is used. And in the next sentence, a shelf moves to the theme zone. We know what shelf we're talking about, and it becomes the shelf. And so on. Now let me give you some sentences, and I want you to put a or the into the gaps. I'm reading a very interesting story at the moment. Story is about man who can travel through time. Man is brave and strong. There is also young girl in story. Man has to save girl from evil scientist. I wonder how story ends. Now pause and take all the time you need. Now the answers. I'm reading a very interesting story at the moment. The story is about a man who can travel through time. The man is brave and strong. There is also a young girl in the story. The man has to save the girl from an evil scientist. I wonder how the story ends. That's it for today. What questions have you got? Feel free to ask, and see you next time.